Hi guys, this is Arshal Gosavi, and today's our topic is these queries. So we'll discuss earlier what is an basic or what is an SQL, what are the types of that SQL. Let us the some summary of the from that video. From If we take a summary from that, we can relate that database management system and our queries. So just take a little bit summary of that what DBMS is, or what is an SQL. SQL we are familiar with now. What is an SQL? SQL is nothing but an uh, structural query language that is language for an database management system, we can say. From that SQL language we can manipulate update or extract data or delete data, can execute from that language. If we want to insert or if we want to delete the data from that. So basically the this database is basically this database is in format of table, we can say. So table can having and rows and columns. So according to that rows and columns are there, we can update the data from from which exact point we want to extract that data, or we want to update that data from that table. So with the help of rows and columns we can get that exact positions of that our where we can update data, or where we can delete the data from that. So we know the SQL is sorry we know that the database management system is in format of table, that store data stored in format of table, and we can update or delete also, as we discuss. So these are having and types. So five types are there, mainly five types. First one is an DDL, second one is an our DCL, say third one is an DML, fourth one is an TCL, fifth one is an our DQL. So we can let known about one by one. So first one is first one is an DDL. Actually DDL is nothing but data definition language. So that DDL contains that it can update or alter data. It can it can create the data. What the definition data definition language is that it whenever we can create any new database, or any new column or any new row inside of that database. So we want to use that DDL, and in that DDL there are queries present, that is create. So using that create, we can create a new row or new create a new column inside that database management system. So or inside that database. This is an DDL. There are queries present in DDL of course also, but as of now we only discuss one. So second one is in our DCL. This DCL says that or full form of their DCL is nothing but data control language. So as the control that word says, it explanation as what controls. So basically we keep in mind that we can control the data inside that or we can control the data as that data is already present in management system. So DCL itself says that the control or the we can say the relations of the data contains in database data control language. So inside that there are queries are present. So queries are insert, update, delete. So these are the control na. Control, how what control language says, we can control the menu, or we can control the data inside of that management system. So we can delete that data, we can update that data, we can also insert new data also with the help of queries. So this is and two main language present. Third one is an data manipulation. Data manipulation contain the two queries, that is grant queries and revoke query. Fourth one, that grant query that invoke the or that invokes the process from user that grant and permission to process forward. And if that query, or if that in that database we are not found what the user want, then revoke query is send that query to grant again. So this is nothing but data manipulation is done by these two keywords, these two queries. Third one is an transaction control language. So in transaction control language there is a control of our flow that present. Next one is an our data query language. So in that data query language, queries are present. From that query, select is most important query in SQL. As we know, select we if we want select, no, we if does not, if you cannot select that query, then you cannot get up to that query from that database management system, or you cannot get up to that query sorry, as you want that query. If you want that query and you get does not use that select query for selecting that query, or selecting that what you want, so you does not get query. So this is select query. These are in that the in that SQL or in that database management language. There are some there are some types of queries are present there. From that, select is one, delete is one, update is one. Select From that we can say that select query is most important queries. So this and these what I was saying, that queries are these queries, the types of queries are. So these queries are most important queries in our language, database management language. These if we'll take an example of if we are having table of a student roll number, student name, student trainers, and inside that if we are having the trainer of roll number 3 student, then what we want actually, then what keep in mind that basic things are there. So what actually we want the trainer of roll number third student. So we select the trainer. If we does not select the trainer, we cannot, we even you not get the trainer even after you having query, and if you not select that trainer, so then you cannot get trainer in that database. So select the trainer from is the most important word in that sentence. So select trainer from that where the table name is students. Select trainer from the students where the name of student is Gomu and his roll number is third. So if the name of student is Gomu and its roll number is third, where is the important clause is there. So this is our example where we want the trainer. Then if we execute this query, that what that query is actually, we once more we can take that query. So first of all, select select trainer from student, that is the table name of the table student, where the student having roll number 3. So after that executing this query, we getting the trainer of roll number 3. So these are the important queries are present uh, inside the inside our management language. So these are the queries. Thank you.